Excuse me. Hey, I don't think I met you yet. I'm Kevin. Excuse me? Hello? People are so obsessed with being on their phones, they miss out on life's magical moments. I have an idea. Can I see your phone really fast? So look, they have a new function. There's a new delete button where you can take it. It goes.
Oh my god, where did my phone go? What did you do?
You're welcome.
Hey, Kayla. Hey, come over here. I want you to meet somebody.
Oh, okay.
Is this anybody's phone?